you clicked on this video because deep down you thought that this video was going to help you in some way, and that's exactly what this video is going to do. If you have always dreamt of speaking English fluently in front of people and you think that this goal of yours is too big, let me remind you, let me tell you, let me assure you that this dream of yours is not that big. And I can tell you from my experience, as I come from a small village and I come from a Hindi medium, and I can tell you that this is not that big goal. You can achieve this with the techniques that I am going to share with you in this video. Because if you have been learning English for years and if you are still struggling to express yourself well in this language, it doesn't mean you are not smart. It just means that you are not practicing this language the right way. And I am going to provide you the right ways in this video to practice this language, and you can become a fluent speaker on your own if you watch this video till the end. And if someone has told you that English is not for you, let's prove them wrong together. Let's get started and talk about what I mean by this video. By the way, I used a lot of techniques to come to this level, but these two techniques that I am going to talk about, I have been using this consistently, and as a result of those two techniques, I am speaking in front of you guys. So before I talk about these two techniques, let me know where you are watching my videos from. I am very curious to know. And let me also tell you a quick story what happened to me exactly 9 months ago. Yeah, I still remember I was watching English cartoons every single day. I was practicing English every single day. I was writing every single day. I was reading every single day. I was reading book after book, but my English was not improving. I was watching English movies, I was watching English cartoons, but my English was not improving despite doing all of this. And I questioned myself, my English is not improving. I am in plateau. How can I get out of this situation? And you know what? A part of me said to give up. A part of me said, you shouldn't be trying. You should give up and do something else, because you are from a village. You can't become a fluent speaker because you have no one to practice English with. You have no one, man. So you can stop learning this language and you can do something else which doesn't require any partners. Find the things that you can do on your own. So I gave up on this idea of becoming a fluent speaker, because deep down I also thought I can never become a fluent speaker living in a village. What I did after that point, I quit it. And after 20 to 25 days, like after 20 or 25 days around, I was just scrolling YouTube and I saw a video and I clicked on that video. I don't know the name of that guy in that video, but I am very sure that that boy was Chinese and he taught me how to speak English fluently. That video hit me. This video can hit you also, and you might make a videos mentioning my name, that because of this guy Gulshan I learned how to speak English fluently. So listen to me very carefully from here and let me tell you what happened from there. Now let me talk about the two key techniques that I have learned from that video, means that Chinese boy. The first technique is, if you want to talk clearly in English, you have to learn to think clearly in this language. Clear communication is all about clear thinking. If you can't clearly think in English, you can't clearly speak in English. So the core reason of you not speaking this language fluently is because you have messy thoughts in English. You can't deliver the thoughts like messy thoughts. You have to structure your thoughts in a way that you can speak this language clearly. And how do you think in English? How do you learn to think in English? Let me tell you how. He said that if you want to talk clearly, you should start writing your thoughts down in your notebook every single day. And I have been writing my thoughts down in my notebook for 9 months. That as a result of writing every single day my thoughts down in my notebook, I am clearly able to put my thoughts in front of you guys. I am not saying that I have become master of spoken English, but now I can at least articulate my thoughts very well in this language. And this has all been possible because I have been consistent at writing my thoughts down on a piece of paper every single day. And if you want to do the same, write your thoughts down. Now you might be having a question in your mind. What should I write, Gulshan? I will tell you everything. Write everything. Write all the activities that you do from the time you wake up in the morning to the time you go to bed. Write everything. And yeah, this was the first step that you should take every single day. Now let's move on to the second step. Writing alone is not going to make you a fluent speaker. This is what you have to do every single day. And if you combine these two, nothing can stop you from becoming a fluent speaker and from articulating your thoughts in easy manner. So let's talk about the second step. Now let me talk about the second technique that the Chinese boy taught me. The second technique was shadowing. And again, I am very sure that you are doing it the wrong way. Let me tell you how I do it. I choose a role model who I want to speak English like, and then I try to imitate everything, like from his body language to how he is talking, to his tonality, to his pitches. I copy every single thing. This is what shadowing means. So what you have to do is choose a role model whom you want to speak English like. I have seen people when following shadowing technique, what they do is they play a different video every single day. Like they play a random video and they try to copy that person. No, you have to choose a YouTube channel or a YouTube like a role model or whoever you want to speak English like. In my case, earlier I wanted to speak English like Ranveer Allahabadia, but now my goal has changed and now I want to speak English like Shah Rukh Khan. And now I play his videos every single day and now I try to imitate him, from his body language to his tonality to his sentences to his phrases to his idioms, and I try to incorporate those sentences in my daily conversation. And this way I am improving my English, and you can do it too. So these two techniques alone are going to help you speak English fluently. You don't need any partner if you follow these techniques every single day. And again, I would like to remind you that I come from a small village. I don't have anyone whom I can practice English with. But despite having no English partner, I have been able to speak English fluently in front of you. As a result, I am teaching you English. And I read a lot of books. And believe me on this, when I started reading books in English, I didn't understand even half of what I was reading. But now I am able to understand everything of what I am reading. Earlier when I started listening to English songs or English cartoons or whatever I was watching in English, like I could understand nothing. I was not able to understand even a single sentence. And when I say this, believe me on this, I couldn't understand even single sentence. But now I understand everything. I can proudly say that in listening I am C2 level. Like I am at C2 level in listening. I can understand each and everything. And in the end of this video, I just want to tell you, if you found this video to be helpful, if you got any value from this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for future notifications. And because I am always coming up with unique content that will help you level up your English. So take care. Bye bye.